Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Nur Anisha. Would like to present about BMC of 21 Cupcakes. I will introduce my team members. Myself is Nur Anisha binti Azhar. My team members are Aina Safia binti Alias, Nur Alia binti Rozaki, and the last one is Tahira Nisri binti Zulkarnain. 21 Cupcakes is the name of our business. We decided on creating this business firstly because our mutual passion in baking and decorating. The reason why we come up with the name of 21 Cupcakes is because we are all in the same age of 21 years old. Our business involves baking, designing, selling, and delivering cupcakes. There are many unique flavors of cupcakes that 21 Cupcakes come out with. For instance, is vanilla cupcake, strawberry cupcake, lotus biscoff cupcake, red velvet cupcakes, and many more. Our slogan is Paradise in Every Bite, which accurately represents our sweet and tasty cupcakes. The aim of this business is to prove to customer that our business is the best in town in terms of taste, quality, presentation. Even though we are small and new in this industry, then we move on to the vision and mission. Our vision is to deliver excellent cupcakes, service and serve one of a kind design cupcake for occasion with guaranteed satisfaction, which will spark up contentment and excitement to each customer. Our mission is to bake and deliver the unique, elegant and delectable cupcakes beyond customers' expectation.
So, how does the business of 21 Cupcakes solve community's problem? As you know, different people have different tastes, different preferences, different ideas, different opinions, different in every aspect of life, and that's what makes each individual unique. Therefore, do you expect all people love chocolates only? All people love strawberry only? No, right? Even in a household, there are like 5 to 6 family members. Do you think each and every one of them enjoy the same thing? When you buy a strawberry cupcake for your family, for example, do you think everyone likes the flavor? Some might enjoy it, but some might not like the taste. Whether it is too sweet or too sour, we don't know, because it is their preference. So, in order to avoid this problem, when you have either family gathering or even friends gathering, instead of buying a whole cake that offers only one flavor, you can buy 6 pieces, 9 pieces, 12 pieces, or even more cupcakes with varieties of flavor in an affordable price. Isn't that cool? Everyone gets to enjoy the same thing, which is cupcake, but different flavors according to each individual's taste.
Okay, now let's proceed with the business model canvas of 21 Cupcakes business. So here is our BMC. Okay, now let's start with value propositions of 21 Cupcakes business. First, in 21 Cupcakes, we provide many different and unique flavors of cupcakes for our customers. We also have a combo box, which is Terra Mix flavors cupcakes in a box with one price. It is specially made for our customer that craving for many flavors cupcakes in a time. We also have an exclusive custom-made design and decorations on cupcake, and also cater for any request of customer to custom their own cupcakes. And lastly, 21 Cupcakes promising a very delicious and premium taste of cupcake with affordable price. Okay, next is our target market or customer segment. First is kids. Since the most cupcakes lovers is from kids, and they will interested with our cupcakes because of the cute and colorful decoration made on the cupcakes. They also will surely love our cupcakes because it is very delicious. Second is teenagers. Since our bakery is just 5 minutes from USM, there are a lot of students there, and plus our bakery shop is in front of Queens Bay Mall, which is an attractive spot for teenagers to hang out. Furthermore, cupcakes also has a perfect size for a one-person dessert, so they will not feel like they have eaten too much dessert in one time. And lastly is adults, because we provide so many flavors cupcakes that suits the adults' taste. For example, pandan gula melaka cupcakes, salted caramel cupcake, durian cupcakes, and many more. Next is marketing strategies or channel. First, we had boost in promoting our product at social media. We are using very interesting photos and videos to attract customers in social media, since users in social medias are more attracted on photos and videos rather than reading all those promoting stuff in the captions. For social media, we are using Instagram because one of our target market, which is teenagers, is from Instagram. Furthermore, according to the research of LSE, there are 59% of Instagram users are teenagers. We also use Facebook page and targeting for the adults. We promote our product by blast in the public groups around the societies, and we found that this is very effective ways to attract the adults. Second is 21 Cupcakes always keep in trend in terms of flavors and designs of our cupcake to attract young people to buy our product. We also had a promotion during special days like Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Hari Raya. In order to keep our customers, we also give a royalty for our regular customers. Other than that, we also sponsor some of community events or groups to promote our shop, so that everyone will taste our delicious cupcakes and know the existence of our bakery shop. Lastly, we also entice people through the door, which is we place a nice and attractive banner of our cupcakes, which include our menus, our promotions, and our bakery name to attract people to come to our bakery shop.
I will explain income statement of 21 Cupcakes for the month of 31st May 2021. The total revenue is 7,400. The total expense we got is 3,550. So the net profit is 3,850 ringgit. Funding of 21 Cupcakes, asset which are bakery equipments is 12,000 ringgit, raw material is 2,900, source of fund which from partnership which are Nur Anisha, Aina Safia, Nur Alia and Zahira Nisrin, each person is 3,000 ringgit, and we also apply for loan from Maybank which are 10,000 ringgit.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Alia binti Rozaki. Now I will explain about the social impact from the business. The social impact from the business is create job opportunities for people. As everyone knows, when you start a business, no matter how small your business is, you might have to hire workers someday. This happens as the business grows and scales beyond the task management ability of the founder. Our business can create job opportunities for people because our business provide delivery service, so we need to hire runners to deliver the cupcake to the customers. This will create job opportunities for people, especially for the young people who want to earn income. In conclusion, the business model Canvas BMC is very useful to the business owners and entrepreneurs out there. The BMC is also a medium to help the business recognize its weaknesses and as well as its highest potential. Our goal is to be listed along with the other successful brand and plans to be one of the top brand in Malaysia. Last but not least, I hope that our business will become successful in the future using this canvas as it create new ideas and plans to generate and enhance the business performance. So I guess that's all from us. Thank you for spending your time watching this presentation. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.